with you. Can't wait to be with you. Can't wait to be next to you. Can't wait for the first day of school. It's been a couple months, but I can't wait to see you standing by your locker, waving back at me. I miss the color of your hair against the sun. I miss the conversations we shared over lunch. You're a lefty, so I'll just sit on your right, connected by a pair of headphones intertwined. Show me all your favorite songs over some fries, the ones that you've been dancing to on summer nights. Summers without you can get a little bit lame. June, July, and August have got me going insane. I'm waiting for the first day of school. You got me acting like such a fool. Do you like what I'm wearing? Did you miss me? Do you like my haircut too? Hoping you'll sit next to me in class, hoping that the bell won't ring so fast. I don't care about the homework or the research as long as I'm with you. With you. Can't wait to be with you. Can't wait to be next to you. Can't wait for the first day of school. And I remember when I saw you for the first time, and we were both young and ain't have such thing as pastime.